Before we get into today's video, I'm so excited to introduce you guys to today's newest sponsor, Ritual. I've been a fan of Ritual for years now. They're such a reputable supplement company with quality products. You guys know how much I love my vitamins. I'm so excited to be working with them, and I know you guys are gonna love their products. It's one of my favorite things in my routine because it's so easy to incorporate. They make me physically feel so good, but also every day when I take my vitamins, I like pat myself on the back because I know that I'm doing something to better myself and my health. It makes me feel good knowing that I'm taking care of myself, and it really takes little to no effort. So this is the latest addition to my vitamin routine. This is Ritual's Synbiotic Plus. This is not your average probiotic. It's a 3-in-1 prebiotic, probiotic, and postbiotic. It has 2 of the world's most clinically studied strains because when it comes to a probiotic, quality over quantity is what matters. So I was truly unaware of the actual need for a daily probiotic. So many things throw off our gut balance, whether it's travel, stress even, your diet. I've been taking Synbiotic Plus for a few weeks now, and the way that I feel so different, I feel so much lighter and not bloated. I know us girls joke about like our tummies hurting all the time. I thought it was just the way things were. I didn't know that my digestive discomforts and bloating was something that I could be fixing with a supplement. My boyfriend was probably just as excited about this because he won't have to hear me complaining about my stomach hurting all the time. In a world where everyone is preaching about working out and being healthy and dieting and this trend, that trend, being that girl, one of the easiest, simple habits you can start incorporating is taking supplements. If you watch my videos, you know that I always say that because you'll start feeling physically better, mentally better, and then all the rest of your healthy habits, productivity, doing the things that you want to do will all fall into place after that because you'll be feeling good. You guys can get 25% off your first month at Ritual using my promo code BrookeDitis25. Your happiness is guaranteed for the first 30 days, so if you are unhappy, you can cancel. They have great policies around that, but you guys should try them out. You won't be disappointed. Cheers to no more tummy aches and bloating. Good morning, guys. It's like 10 o'clock. I'm running a few errands this morning. I need to do an Amazon return. I need to go to Home Goods, the mall, Target, just a bunch of errands. And I have a full-time job. So I honestly, there's like the influencer meme that's like, oh my God, I have such a busy day. Like I have to go get my nails done. I need to run errands. I need to make my bed, make my coffee, do my gratitude journal, like all that stuff. But I have a full-time job. So most of you know that I have a full-time job in marketing. I lived in Michigan this past year. I lived in Cincinnati for a few months with my boyfriend while he was doing like some work training, and then he actually ended up getting a job back in New York just completely coincidentally, and that's where my family's from. So I'm closer to my family now. I'm also closer to the physical office. So I've been remote for over a year now, the whole time I've been at this job, but now that I'm closer to the office, I'm able to go in, and it literally was just a complete coincidence. I know that I told you guys like we were thinking about moving to North Carolina, like other states. We really didn't think we were going to end up in Michigan or New York just because with his job it is so competitive. He was just going to kind of have to take whatever job he could get. Coincidentally, he ended up getting a job in the same area that my physical office is in, so I'm able to go into work now. I still work remotely a little bit here and there, but for the most part I'm like in the office. Like I work remotely half days, sometimes like maybe once, maybe twice a week. I'm really in the office every day. Anyways, I get so pissed when I start like ranting to the camera like that, and I don't even know like where that train of thought came from. First of all, people have been asking for a work update, so there's the work update too. All that was to say that I'm not an influencer, a full-time influencer who's like, here's my busy day, guys, like my busy work day, I need to run my errands, whatever. Literally all I want to do is go lay down and watch movies with my boyfriend all day before I have to go to freaking work for 5 days straight. But we have things to do, so I don't know if I'm gonna do my Amazon return today, honestly, because also this is my new phone case from Princess Polly. It's so cute. I don't know if I'm gonna do my Amazon return today, honestly, because I have other things I need to do, and I need to do stuff when I go back to the apartment. So I think we're gonna skip that for now. I'll do that on like my lunch break or something this week. I need to go to Home Goods. I have 2 gift cards, which is just so nice. I need to get king bed sheets and king bed pillows. I also need to go to Target and pick up a few things, and then I need to go to the mall because my sister's birthday is coming up and I need to find a birthday gift for her. And my favorite Chinese food is in this mall, and Brody loves it too. He's had it once, and I think I'm gonna pick it up for us. So I think the mall is gonna be the last thing that I do, and then I'll pick up the Chinese food. I also bought 2 bookshelves, so I need to build those. We can do that together later. Starbucks has really been popping off with their marketing for their new spicy lemonade refresher. I see it everywhere. I love spicy, but I haven't decided if I like spicy drinks yet. Like, I don't love a Bloody Mary that's a little spicy. I don't love a spicy marg. Like, spice drinks, I'm unsure of. I know those are all alcoholic, but this one sounds good, so. There's like high schoolers, like a lacrosse team. High schoolers are so scary, honestly. Like, why? Why are they so scary? I dealt with my fair share of mean girls in high school, so maybe I'm just traumatized.
Good, what can I get started for you?
Could I get a tall, spicy lemonade refresher? Could I do the dragon fruit one?
Yeah, the only thing is that I don't have any of the fruit pieces that go in it. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's actually perfect.
You want tall, you said?
Yes, please.
Perfect. Anything else?
That's all.
Awesome sauce going put forward, okay?
Thank you. My phone just fell. Oh my god, that was $5.65 for a tall. Are you kidding? We're all fucked. I'm never gonna be able to buy a house. That's insane. I literally can't believe that. $5.65 for a tall. This thing is literally so tiny. It's not even funny. Also, I like did something so weird with my, I did something so weird with my eyebrows when I was doing my makeup today. Like, don't even look at them. It's this one. Fuck, dude. Oh my god, it's this one. It's nutty. I put like too much eyebrow gel in. I haven't really been wearing eyebrow gel, but I really feel like it makes my eyebrows look better. I think I just need to go get my eyebrows done and then everything will be okay. But I did something funky with this one and it looks freaky. I'm making a TikTok, which is why I was managing my phone at the same time. $5.65 for this. That's crazy. It's got a little kick. I really like it. Maybe this is gonna make me be a Bloody Mary fan, which honestly, it's really all I want. So I want to be a girl that can order Bloody Marys. I just never get refreshers though anymore. Okay, I'm on a mission because I don't need to buy anything else. Just sheets, pillows, sheets, pillows. Only sheets and pillows, nothing else. Oh, but I did get my new bookshelves and I need some new decor. I'm going to at some point at least, but yeah, I should not right now, so we're on a mission. Stay focused. Okay, these pillows seem literally humongous, and I found sheets that I like. They're like a light pink, and then I also got a dog toothbrush and toothpaste because it was like $3. And I've been wanting to get that for Bogey because I want to brush his teeth like once a week. How often are you supposed to brush a dog's teeth? I feel like once a week is doable. Like growing up, my parents never brushed our dog's teeth. I didn't even know people really did that, but I mean, it's probably good for them, right? I don't know what's up with me today, but I'm dilly-dallying so much. I'm moving so slow. Like, I just spent 2 hours, like, going to Starbucks and HomeGoods, like, doing nothing. Literally doing nothing and just talking to the camera. So I'm gonna turn it off and we'll just do a little, like, montage clips. I really want a soft pretzel. Washing the sheets right now for our bedroom, and then this bedroom I actually have just like a ton of miscellaneous like throw pillows. Now I'm gonna put pillow covers on these pillows. So this is what one of the pillow covers look like. So just like this buccal pillow cover. It's actually really nice quality. I got blue ones for this bedroom because I put these cute sheets that you guys have seen before that I love, and then I'll put these behind or whatever, I don't know. And then for our bedroom, this is the duvet cover, which I didn't wash. I guess maybe I should wash that too. Whatever, it's fine for now. And then the throw pillows that'll go behind are just gonna be like the white buccal, and I'm gonna cover these pillows with them. So let's do that. But I'm so excited to start like filling up these bookshelves. They were on sale at Target for 40 bucks. I'll link them in case they're in stock near you because they weren't in stock online, but they were on sale for 40 bucks if you have them in store, and there was some in store, so I snagged them so quick. My inspiration for this came from a girl named Natalie. She has a book Instagram and YouTube channel, and I just love her content. She has really like girly pink bow cute content, and she has 2 bookshelves on either side of her bed, and it looks so cute. She's decorated them literally perfectly. honestly, I'm definitely not going to be able to decorate them as cute as she did. And then Brody was like, I actually had 2 bookshelves on either side of my bed growing up. And I was like, oh, that's so cute. That's the origin story of these bookshelves. Brody's childhood bedroom and Natalie, who has the cutest bookshelves I've ever seen. You guys should go follow her if you don't. Every vlog, I feel like I say I have so much to do in this apartment, and I'm just moving really slow because everything is so expensive. So I'm just kind of trying to slowly curate everything, and it's more fun that way too. I'm just trying to enjoy it, even though I wish I could just like go splurge and get everything. It's kind of nice because I'm really making sure that like everything is exactly how I want it. Sometimes when I do those like big splurges of like finishing off a room or something in the past, I get sick of things really quick because majority of the things that I buy are like impulse, just to kind of get everything finished and fill up space. And so then I end up not really liking it. So this way I'm able to kind of slowly make it exactly how I want. So I do enjoy that. This room doubles as like so many things. So obviously number 1, it's a guest room. Number 2, it's Brody's closet. Brody has all his stuff in this closet, and then the bathroom in this room he uses to get ready in the morning, and I use the bathroom in our bedroom. It's really nice, honestly, having our own space in the mornings while we get ready. And then this room is also going to be kind of like a filming book room so that I have a space to film. Yeah, I'm really excited about these bookshelves. I'm not going to decorate or put my books on them in this video. I'm going to do that in another video, but I'm so excited for that. So if you guys have any ideas for me for decorating the bookshelves or just anything with this room in general, let me know. I want to get like a big comfy blanket to go over this bed too. And yeah, I'm just excited to have this little like book filming room. It'll be so nice. I actually think I want to like bring my makeup in here so I could like have my little getting ready station over here too, so it'll be easier to film because my bathroom is like so dark. My sheets are almost done being washed. I'm so excited to put those on the bed and then get the duvet cover on the duvet and put that on, and the new pillows, and see how that looks. But I'm very happy with this room. It's been a while since I've done a book video. I have a couple planned for the month of May and June that I'm really excited to film, but I wanted to show you guys some of the new books that I got. Book Lovers by Emily Henry. I want to read Emily Henry's new release too. I think it's like something with enemies. I forget what it's called. I've read People We Meet on Vacation and Happy Place, and I honestly didn't love them both. Like, I liked them, but I didn't love them as much as how other people love them. So I'm really interested. A lot of you guys always tell me to read this one. Then I got Good Morning Monster. This is a book that a therapist wrote about her five of her different patients, and she goes through like the time that she meets them and their extent in therapy and kind of what goes on, and as she learns about like their childhood and why they are the way they are and how they resolve some of their issues. I actually already read this. It was so good. You have to read it. If you're watching this and that sounds interesting to you, learning about 5 therapy patients and why they are the way they are, and the therapist kind of analyzing them and helping them, it's so real and so good. Highly recommend. Next book I got is All My Mothers. I saw this on someone's Instagram. I actually think it was on my Instagram Explore page, and the cover was just beautiful. And I was like, All My Mothers, that sounds really interesting. And I looked it up and I was like, wow, this sounds like it's gonna be an emotional, deep, really good one. So super excited to read this. Then I got Cleopatra and Frankenstein. Also very excited about this one. It looks like this page has some like marks on it, like it's there on purpose. I didn't notice that. And I got The Lonely Stories. I think this is a bunch of little essays. I don't think they're little. I think they're like decently sized, but I don't know. We'll see. Then I got The 7-Year Slip. I'm so excited to read this one. I hear such good things about this book. Honestly, I feel like I killed it. I'm so excited to read all of these books. I feel like they're gonna be so good. I want to do a 24-hour readathon here soon and read a bunch of these. Usually I read like 4 books when I've done those 24-hour readathons in the past, so probably will pick 4 of these to read. Let me know if you guys have read any of these and if you liked them. Also follow me on Goodreads. I love Goodreads. My 2024 reading challenge is to read 50 books, and I've read 17 of 50 books right now, and I'm one book ahead of schedule. So go follow me on there. I love keeping up with you guys and seeing what you guys are reading. I keep it updated with what I'm reading, when I finish reading things, rating them, all that stuff. That's my book update. There's my puppy. I'm gonna end off the video here. I hope that you guys liked it. I know there wasn't like much rhyme or reason to this vlog, and it was super chatty in the beginning. I always get nervous posting videos like that because I'm like, why would you care? But I've been really liking listening to more like chatty videos lately, so let me know. But I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all the things. DM me what books you're reading. DM me just in general. I love chatting with you guys in the comments or my DMs. See you next time. Bye.